guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Kylie Cosmetics Balmain Collection. So this collection recently came out for Fashion Week and it's so pretty. This is a small three-piece collection. So you have the palette, which this is the packaging of, and then a lip kit and a high gloss, which looks like this. So I'm going to be reviewing all three of these things for you guys today, so let's get started. So I did my face makeup today so I can just focus on reviewing this collection. So the box for the palette looks like this. You have these really pretty pastel colors and the names of the colors on the back. And then the palette itself is a white matte packaging with silver lettering. These are the shades in the palette. So there are 9 shades in the palette and a lot of pastel colors, really pretty. I feel like spring this would be a really great palette to kind of go for. There are 3 matte shades and then the other 6 are shimmers. Definitely a lot of fun colors in here to kind of play around with. The lip kit packaging is the exact same. This is in the shade Paris. There's all this detailing on the inside of the box here. It says Kylie Balmain, and then this is the lip kit. It has like a metallic pink lid, and then the lip liner is just white, and well, the pencil's not. This is a darker lip liner to go with the lip kit. And then for the high gloss, the shade is called Model Behavior, and this is such a pretty high gloss. Let me try and have this focus. I don't know if you guys can see. There's like, you can actually see like the glitter pieces in this lip gloss. So I'm really excited to try this out. I love Kylie's high glosses because they're not sticky, so I really cannot wait to try this one. So I'm just going to kind of swatch just a couple of these shades and see how they're going to apply. Starting out in the shade Close the Show, which is right here at the top left. It's like a really pretty peachy color. It looks so pretty. I'm just going to swatch this shade City of Love, which is like this really pretty aqua color. Oh my goodness, that is so pigmented. Woo. And then this is the shade PFW Paris Fashion Week, and I'm just going to swatch that and you can see how highly pigmented that shadow color is. Wow. Okay, so there are so many fun colors in this palette, like I don't even know where I want to start today, but I'm just going to begin by priming my lids with some NYX concealer. But just to start as a light transition in my crease, I'm using the shade Main Event, which is a matte color, and I'm just applying this right on the crease and the outer corner very lightly. I'm not really trying to get too much of a color to build up here. Now I'm going to add this really pretty light pink eyeshadow color in the shade Attitude, and this is literally such a pretty eyeshadow color. That's like my favorite shade of pink, so I have to use this one today. And I'm just going to apply this in the crease, and being that this is a pastel eyeshadow color, it's actually really pigmented, so you guys can see how pigmented this eyeshadow color is. So even though it's such a really light and soft shade, it's actually really pigmented, so really impressed with that. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of the shade Top Model, which is another matte color in the palette, the only one that we haven't used yet. And I'm just going to add this right on the very outer edge of the lid, very lightly. I don't want this to kind of overpower the other pink that's already there. Doing it for a little bit of definition. And then I'm just re-adding some of the shade Attitude to make sure that none of it got too covered up by the other shade we just added. So these shades are blending really nicely too, so really impressed so far. So now we're going to kind of use some of these shimmers and see how they apply. So I'm starting by adding the shade Night Out, which is this pink shimmer. And I'm just going to apply this the inner quarter of my lid. And for the center of my lid, I'm going to use the shade City of Love, which is like the boldest, brightest shade in the palette, I think. Just going to apply that right to the center of the lid. And this color with the pink, it just like, I don't know, reminds me of like cotton candy or something. So I think it's such a pretty color. You can see I did like a little bit of that really pretty aqua blue color, and then using the shade Catwalk, which is a little bit of a deeper pink shimmer. I'm going to place this right at the very top of the lid, right before the crease. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use the shade Paris Fashion Week and place that right below the eye. The shade Close the Show for the inner corner. Yeah, that's really pretty. I think I'm going to use a highlighter for my brow bone. This shade actually really complements the pink on the eye really nicely. For my brow bone, I'm going to use a little bit of this Kylie Cosmetics highlighting powder in the shade Cheers Darling, and I'm also going to actually use this on my face today, so it'll match perfectly. But I'm going to just apply some of this with a really small pencil brush right to my brow bone just to finish off the eyeshadow. I'm not going to put on any winged liner today. I'm just going to keep this as a really soft and light eyeshadow look. But I am just going to apply these Kiss lashes, which have been kind of my go-to lashes lately. So before I add my mascara to my bottom lashes, I'm going to use this NYX white eye pencil and just line my waterline. I think it just helps to make the eyes pop, especially with these light pastel colors. I think the white liner really just kind of goes with it. Then I am just going to use some mascara on my lower lashes. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to use that same highlighter in the shade Cheers Darling again, and I'm going to just apply this for my highlight today. I also did use the Kylie Cosmetics Tequila Tan bronzer and the Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Winter Kissed as well before I started the video. I'm going in with my beauty blender and just tapping some of this out. For lips, I'm obviously using the lip kit from this collection. I'm going to just line my lips using the lip liner, and then I'm going to use the matte liquid lipstick right over top. So you can see the difference in the shade. The lip liner is very dark compared to the actual liquid lipstick. So this is such a really pretty color for a lip kit. And then over top, I have to use the high gloss, can't leave it out. This is again in the shade Model Behavior. This stuff smells amazing and the glitters are so pretty in it. We're just going to apply this as a topper. You can obviously wear it by itself. The worst part is getting the applicator all messed up from the lipstick. So we are all done, and this is the finished look. That's it for today's video. I love this collection. So if you think that you would wear these colors and would love to kind of try them out, then I highly recommend this palette. I think that this is such a really pretty collection, and it's very simple but still really fun to play around with and use. So I really liked trying this out for you guys today, and I'm very happy with the eyeshadows. I think they blend really nicely. It's the usual Kylie Cosmetics quality, nothing really different, just a different palette and different shades, but the quality is the same, and lip kit, lip high gloss, everything is the same. So if you're a fan, go check it out. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. They're all like fall videos recently, so this was kind of nice to switch it up. You guys can also find me on Instagram and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!